Unlock a universe of entertainment without the cable bill. Let's get your Apple TV rocking with Iptv. And in this quick guide, we'll show you how, step by step. First, we need the right tool on your Apple TV. Navigate to the App Store. Think of this like your digital storefront for all authorized apps. Once there, use the search function. When you search, you're looking for Iptv player applications. These are specialized apps designed to read and display Iptv streams. Some popular and well-regarded options are Infuse, GSE Smart Iptv, or KingHub TV. Select one that appeals to you and proceed with its installation. After the download and installation are complete, you'll find the Iptv apps icon on your Apple TV's home screen. Select it to launch. Now, the crucial part: connecting your Iptv service. Most Iptv providers will give you either an M3U URL or Extreme Codes login details within the Iptv app. You'll find options to input these carefully. Enter your M3U URL or your username, password, and server address if you're using Extreme Codes. Once your service details are successfully entered, the app will load your channel list. This might take a moment depending on your internet speed and the provider's server. And just like that, you're ready to stream. Browse through your channels, select what you want to watch, and enjoy a world of content directly on your Apple TV, all powered by Iptv.